The Airbus A380 has the latest technologies in terms of engines and is the largest aircraft in the world.
We're delighted to have this Hi Fly operated Airbus A380 at the Farnborough Airshow. Now, as you can see behind me, this is the largest commercial aircraft flying today. This aircraft is unmatched in terms of passenger appeal and comfort.
What do I like the most about it? This area here, probably the first class bit. It's very impressive looking.
Quite impressed by first class. They have like double king beds. I didn't know you could have that.
Regarding the A380, it's a pleasure to be part of the first crew, the Portuguese first crew operating this aircraft. We are very pleased to have this in our fleet, and once again it will show that how big and how amazing is our company.
Probably first class as well, to be honest, because it comes into a bed and I like sleeping, so I'll just be able to sleep.
The Airbus A380 is not only the most comfortable aircraft in the skies, but is also an eco-friendly aircraft. It is the largest aircraft. It carries up to 850 passengers.
The A380 is completely stealing the show, and everybody's so curious about the aircraft, about the cause, about why are we doing this.
At the end of the day, it's the best plane.